what's a way that you kind of track the materials and appliances and just different things that are in your property so that, when something breaks or when something needs to be upgraded, you're not kind of scrambling thinking, oh, what paint color was that? What sheen do I use?
Yeah, good question. And I hope my dad never listens to this podcast because he's been talking about this for years. And we've never done it. So he's always says we need a list of appliances in each unit, what year they were purchased, so we can go into that unit, via Google Docs and see when. How old is the refrigerator? If the tenant's calling and saying that refrigerator isn't working, do we send a repair guy or do we send a new refrigerator? If it's 10 years old, you send a new refrigerator. If it's 1 year old, you send a repair guy, So I don't have the best system with that. What we have done, though, which we have done well, is we have one paint color. Now, we just changed it. It was sand fossil. Every unit out there is sand fossil. It looks like sand, I guess. It's a beautiful color. We just switched to a new gray, which is a gray color, and now we're switching all our units over to that. So paint-wise, absolutely, you need some sort of paint scheme. Because in Duluth, we used to let the tenants paint it. And what happens is when you're a tenant and you're going to paint it and you're only going to live there for a year, you're going to try some cool color like hot pink or, super dark blue, or something like that. If you're going to move into it with your family and you don't want to paint again in 10 years, you're going to pick more of a neutral color, right? So what happened is we ended up with all these goofy colors in Duluth. So now what we do is we just do everything in new gray and it's a great color and it's beautiful, right? So that's how we handle paint colors. Regarding everything else, we just don't have enough units to really worry about it as much as I think, and we're pretty quick to pull the trigger on new appliances. It's expensive to send a maintenance guy for a new refrigerator, so it might be $150 or maybe $200 to repair a refrigerator. That costs $500. It's like, yeah, but if you buy a new fridge, then it's $500 and it's new, and then you don't have to worry about it anymore. It's probably more energy efficient, all sorts of things.
Usually those come with a warranty.
Usually, yeah. And then the other thing is a lot of people, we were really, really slow to do the stainless steel thing. And we're still pretty slow to do it, but anytime we renovate a unit now, we go to stainless steel because it's not that much more expensive. Mm-hmm. And then as far as appliances go too, tenants really like dishwashers. So if you don't have a dishwasher in your unit, for about $400 or $500, you can buy a portable one. It might be a good way to go, and then get that people in there.
Yeah. Want to hear more on this topic? Click the link below for the full episode of Maximizing Your Property Value.